Chipata being one of those that suffered a low voter turnout in the previous presidential election, we felt that it would be a very critical place for us to launch this campaign. It's a very special place because of that, and we want to see how best we can engage the people on the ground, especially the young people, to begin to realize that their participation in an election is important, so much such that at the end of the day, we see that the numbers improve from what we saw in the last presidential election. We have a lot of voters in terms of those who are registered. If you look at the voters roll of 2011, but the turnout was really discouraging, pathetic to say the least, or for lack of a better term. So we want to see how best can we together, people of this area, yourselves and ourselves, can synergize our efforts and ensure that we challenge and motivate, but also inspire the young people to be able to realize that their vote is very important in a democratic dispensation like ours. So I know we are behind time. I would like to welcome you to this engagement. Let's engage and let's see how best we can do this project. Chipata is just a launching area, but also we want, after the launch, things to remain on the ground, to continue working, and this is why we have people from the district offices, the voter education coordinator around with us, and I think this is a very good blend that we have for us to ensure that apart from just talking in this meeting, we want to see how we can tap from the other already existing institutions and groupings so that this campaign goes forward for the betterment of not only the young people, but our democracy as a country. So with these few remarks,